Hi, my name's Jonathan Fagan. I'm one of the directors of 10% Legal Recruitment. I'm going to spend some time today just talking to you about business acumen. Just one of those things that comes up time and time again in job interviews, and most solicitors, paralegals, law students don't really understand what they need to be saying to get over the point that they get the law firm, that they understand what it is the law firm can offer to them and what they can offer the law firm. And a lot of it comes down to business awareness, which is commercial awareness, which similarly is business acumen. If you get asked the question, then what do you understand by the term business acumen? The best way of thinking about it is to think of it as, if you join the law firm, they're going to be paying you money. Money is what makes the world go round. Therefore, you need to understand that your whole purpose in that law firm or organisation is to make money for that law firm. If you make them money, they can pay you. If you don't make them any money, they can't pay you. And that's the same. People come to us year in, year out saying, I want to be a solicitor because I want to help people, I want to do human rights, I want to do international development work. Wonderful, fantastic, I hope you enjoy your career. But as part of that, you have to understand that your whole purpose in being a solicitor or a lawyer and working in a fee earning capacity is to make money, whether that's in human rights, whether that's working for a local authority and saving money, whether you're working in-house and saving money for your in-house department. You are going to be there to make money, and that is what business acumen's all about. It's the understanding that a law firm or an employer is there to make money. If you don't understand that, and a lot of people don't, they see their purpose in the law firm as helping people, setting the world right, etc., etc. If you can't see that at the end of the day, it's money that is the reason that law firm or that employer has you there working, then you're not going to get very far in your career. So when you're thinking of business acumen, try to think of practical examples of things you've been involved with. If you're a qualified solicitor, it's fairly easy because you can come up with networking and marketing initiatives you've been involved with when you've referred people through to a law firm. If you've had to generate a certain level of billing over a period of time, anything like that goes down very well. If you're coming from a non-legal background, you're working as a paralegal or a law student, you're working as a paralegal or you're coming in at the law student level, then chances are you're going to have to think of something a little bit non-legal. So if you're a law student and you've been at university, one of the things a lot of people come up with is when they've been involved with a club or with a society and they've needed to do some advertising or they've needed to save costs. It's just becoming increasingly common these days. And just describe the ways that you've done that. How have you gone about saving that particular organisation money and understanding that the organisation, in order to survive, needs money? So perhaps you've had to make a grant application, perhaps you've had to bring in more members to get the membership fees to keep everything going. Those are the types of things that come up with an understanding of commercial awareness. The other thing that you could probably do, and would be very helpful, I suspect, is to have a full understanding of any commercial deals that are going on involving the firm or organisation you're interviewing with, because then you can refer to that in your answer. If it's a law firm, one of the best ways of doing this is to read the Law Society Gazette and the Lawyer, which is a common theme that we put across again and again when we talk to students and talk to students and graduates about their future legal prospects. If you're reading those, you will see what types of things that law firm or employer has been involved with recently, and you can perhaps draw those into the example to explain that you understand what particular concerns surround them at present, what type of deals they're doing, and how successful they're being generally in the business environment. The question doesn't tend to get asked in a high street setting, but it certainly gets asked in commercial law firms or something very similar, and I suspect quite a lot of local authorities would think of it as well. So have a read through the rest of these pages. There's hundreds of articles on the 10% site and on the legalrecruitment.blogspot.com site, and you can also have a look at our shop for a free guide to gaining training contract and work experience, plus all our paid services. I hope you found this useful. We provide this as a free service, and if you would like any questions answering, please visit our careers forum. Thank you.